is a gift, no time for regrets. We are here to be alive, to feel the world's embrace, to dance under the skies, to find our perfect place. Every heartbeat's telling us we're here to truly thrive. In every breath and moment, we are here to be